Sit by myself, talking to the moon.
The most important step here, and that's using our Surface Prep Deglosser, and I'm going to clean this shower first. Now, you could use your True Applicator, or you can just use your Syntec brush. I'm going to do 2 coats of brush and roll, because that's my method of choice on a flat surface. I feel like I can cover more ground quickly, and it's going to allow me to cut in here around all of these trim pieces. I'm just going to paint a small area, and then I'm going to go right in next to that with my roller. After your last coat has dried for 48 full hours, it's time to apply the water-resistant sealer. You're going to apply 3 full coats, 3 hours apart. Then you're going to allow the water-resistant sealer to dry for 3 full days before getting it wet again. Like and follow for more great DIY tips.